Hello, and welcome to another English listening practice story from SmartRoots Learning. Today's story is called The Flying Kite. Listen carefully and enjoy. It was a windy afternoon, and Mia and her brother Ben took their kite to the park. The kite was bright red with a long blue tail. As the wind blew stronger, the kite soared high into the sky. "Look how high it's going!" shouted Ben with excitement. Suddenly, the kite tugged hard and slipped out of Mia's hands. The string spun quickly, and the kite flew toward a tall tree. "Oh no!" cried Mia. The kite got stuck on a branch. Ben tried to pull the string gently, but it wouldn't move. Then, their father came over and said, "Let's try together." With careful teamwork, they pulled the string slowly until the kite came free. The children cheered and held the kite tightly this time. They learned an important lesson. Always hold on carefully and work together when solving problems. Thank you for listening to The Flying Kite. We hope you enjoyed the story and practiced your English listening skills. Don't forget, you can download the free worksheet for this story from the description. See you in the next listening practice.